Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Why turmeric, olive oil and black pepper make for a powerful drink. Cancer is one of the most frightening diseases of our age. Everyone knows someone who had cancer and it's scary to think that it may happen to you too. Modern science is still struggling to understand how cancer manifests itself and how to cure it. However, most researchers agree that chronic stress and inflammation plays a big role in the development of the deadly disease. What to eat to prevent cancer? Anti-inflammatory compound might hold the key to preventing cancer. Of course, it's important to lead an active lifestyle and manage stress for best result. Many foods that help prevent the disease can be found in your spice cabinet. How turmeric fight cancer? Turmeric is a spice with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It actually contains one of the world's most powerful non-pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory compound. A large number of laboratory studies on cancer cells have shown that curcumin has proven chemopreventive effect. It seems to be able to kill cancer cells and prevent them from growing. It has the best effect on breast cancer, bowel cancer, stomach cancer, and skin cancer cells. It's also been proven effective against colon, prostate, ovarian, and brain cancer. Black pepper. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, can increase curcumin absorption in both rats and humans with no adverse effect. It's been said to increase effectiveness of turmeric by as much as 2000%. Olive oil. Olive oil makes a great sidekick to turmeric because curcumin is fat soluble. This means it needs to be dissolved in fat to make it into the intestine where it is absorbed into the bloodstream. Olive oil is also full of antioxidant and substantial amount of other compounds deemed to be anti-cancer agent. Recipe. Turmeric is a great spice to use in the kitchen in anything from curries and vegetable seasoning to hot milk and tea. The following recipe comes from Dr. Carolyn Anderson, who recommended taking this mixture as often as you can. Ingredient: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of olive oil, 1 pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix all the ingredients in a small bowl until they all blend together. Add the mixture to soup or salad or simply whisk in a little water and drink it straight. Take once every day before a meal. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.